name is Gayla at SpacePole. Enjoy what's next.
Okay, I live in Norcross, Georgia, the same base, coincidentally, as where I work. That would be cryptocurrency. I think it's the future of the world. Monetary systems are switching over, in my opinion. That's a good one. I never thought about that. If I had to pick quick, I would say probably Omar Epps. I can wire houses with for cable phone, satellite, and some electricity, some plumbing, and some masonry. Comic-Con would be the one I go, Mardi Gras would be second. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try to keep this as PG-13 as I can. I'm riding in the back seat in the 80s with my mother. She wasn't paying attention, so I decided I wanted to get a quick snack. And I went into a bag and saw some chocolate, started eating the chocolate. Come to find out it was chocolate egg slacks. Yeah, she never, sometimes she brings that up. It wasn't my fault, I was only 5, it looked like candy to me. And I'm not embarrassed by it either. My mother, she's been through a lot. A lot of family members that helped them get their health better, or she's the one to have them come to live with her. And she always does it just like that. She's always the first one to volunteer to do stuff like that. She has a big heart. She is the reason I have a caring side. Okay. Title is I am assembly assistant. My role, it could change from day to day. I like to joke and have fun and have a light mood going on. So if you're around me, the hours are gonna go like this. The upper management that we have from the top to bottom, and also it gives you room to grow. And they're always open to suggestions and never turn you away, give you credit. What's most satisfying is where I started to where I am, the things that I can do. And without thinking about it, I can just do any work order that you put in front of me. And sometimes I catch myself, I'm like, man, I remember, man, you could not do this. So I think that's the most satisfying. First of all, they're just more laid back. They don't take themselves too serious unless the time needs to be serious. You get a feeling of family and comfort here. It's not too stuck up and stiff, it's more relaxed. It really is a family. We have ups and downs and stuff like that, but we work through them. Passion. I'll go with passion. Because I do have a lot of passion for different things. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, that's it. I knew he was going to have fun. I'm an assembler at SpacePole. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.